Imagine making $100 a day without a single 9-to-5 grind, all thanks to AI tools doing the work for you. Sounds too good to be true? Stick around, because today, I'm revealing 3 powerful AI tools that can help you achieve exactly that. Hey, I'm Sam, your guide to turning technology into opportunity. If you've been searching for ways to create passive income and finally achieve the freedom you deserve, you're in the right place. These AI tools are not just smart, they're money makers. Let's get right into it. The first tool on our list is ChatGPT. Yeah, this AI powerhouse isn't just for answering random questions. It can write blog posts, scripts, ebooks, and more. How does this make you money? Simple. Tons of businesses are looking for writers, but you don't have to sit there typing away. Use ChatGPT to generate polished content in minutes. Take it a step further by selling this content on platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, or by starting your own blog. Create a couple of articles, monetize with ads, and voila, that's passive income rolling in. All while the AI does the heavy lifting. Next up is Jasper AI. This tool takes content creation to the next level by crafting high-converting sales copy, social media posts, and even email sequences. Here's the secret: companies are always hungry for great marketing content. You could start offering copywriting services, or better yet, use Jasper to automate your own email or sales funnel. Sell digital products, courses, or affiliate products on Autopilot, with Jasper crafting persuasive messages that drive sales. Once it's set up, this practically runs itself while you kick back and enjoy those passive earnings. And finally, we have Pictory AI, an incredible video creation tool. This AI takes plain text and turns it into stunning videos complete with stock footage, subtitles, and music. Videos are everywhere, which means demand is huge. Use Pictory to create YouTube videos, explainer videos for businesses, or repurpose blogs into engaging content. If you're consistent with posting your own videos, you can monetize on YouTube through ads, sponsorships, and affiliate links. Or offer video creation services for easy freelance cash. The best part? No video editing skills needed. Talk about working smarter, not harder. So, there you have it. 3 amazing AI tools that can start putting $100 a day into your pocket while you sleep. Don't overthink it. Take action, stay consistent, and watch your income grow. Want more resources to get started? I've added exclusive links to these tools and some free bonuses in the description below. Check them out and take the first step toward your passive income goals. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.